Let's see what we got in here.
Should I take these black ones?
It's lovely. I am so excited that it is finally getting warmer outside. The trees are starting to bud. It is the beginning of a new season. So today we're gonna be changing out some things, bringing some new things in, and I hope that it will be a great motivation and inspiration for you in your own bedroom. Hello darkness, my old friend. This spot behind me is kind of, I guess, like a writing desk area. We kind of put it here just because it looks nice. We don't really use it that often. So I just kind of want to make it look pretty because I do enjoy the way it looks aesthetically in here. So I'm gonna take some of this stuff and kind of move it around so that it makes more sense. Then we have our drawer systems, and right now some of them are quite messy, so I really need to rearrange that. Another thing that I want to change out is my system for jewelry. So right now I have this cute little wooden, I don't even know what to call it, but I got it from Target. It was working for the meantime, but all of my smaller jewelry and all of the little clip, the end pieces to the earrings in particular, were just getting completely lost. So I just need to find a better way to organize this. There are some places in my house where the rooms are just super dark, they're like a dungeon, and this is one of them. So one of the things that I want to do is change out this bedspread. It's fine, it's beautiful, it's this nice linen color, but I want to add a white bedspread so that it kind of brightens up the room a little bit. And then I'm gonna change out these pillows over here. I love this pillow cover. You can't really tell in the video, but it's this nice, rich raspberry cover, but it's very fall. So I'm gonna change this out for something that's gonna go along with this nice green accent wall that we have here. Another thing that I'm so excited to have purchased are these pillows. 2 of our pillows have been giving out on us, so I decided to get these off of Amazon. What I wanna do now is show you all of the bedding that I got, so let's unbox it together. So I have this little one helping me out, opening up these boxes with me. And I have no idea what's in which, but let's see what we got in here. I don't know. Do you know what this is? Do you think these are the pillowcases?
I think it is.
Maybe?
Wait, is Spidey's cute?
Oh, maybe what?
A Spidey's cute?
A Spidey skill?
Yeah, that is Spidey.
I have no idea what you just said. Okay. Ooh, yes, these are pillowcases. I'm a little sad that it didn't come with some plastic wrap though. Like, I'm not happy about that. It doesn't smell. Like, sometimes you get a package like this and it smells, but this does not smell. Ooh, nice.
For me.
This is not for you. It's very nice. This material is like super soft and nice. All right, so, ooh, these are the new pillows, which are, oh no, sorry, this is the duvet, which is very thin,
Another one.
which is fine because, you know, it's springtime, so that's fine. This also does not have a smell. Very good. And it looks beautiful. Oh my gosh. And this is the pattern that it came in. And the fabric is so soft. And then we have the pillow shams that go with it. Okay, there is a little bit of a smell. Oh, okay. Wow. This is super nice. What do you think, Jessie?
I think it's cool.
You think it's cool? I'll show you the pattern. It's so nice, and it's not one of those pillowcases that's just printed on. This is like legit sewn together, good quality, big mamma jamma over here. These are the pillows. It comes in this pack. It looks like giant paper towel rolls. Here we go. Oh, here we go, here we go. It's growing. Ooh, look at that. It fluffed out pretty nicely. No strange odor, which is great. Ooh, don't do that. I'm happy with these. I think these are gonna be great. So now I can replace 2 of those really lumpy pillows that I had. Now it is time to go get everything washed and clean so that we can put everything on tomorrow. Yay, say yay! We need to get our cuddles in because Jessie is sick. Aren't you? Yeah. Thank you for helping me. Time is running short. Let's get going. dust with this, like the Swiffer duster, because I think it does a good job of picking up all the dust particles. But then I'm gonna hit it with this, because this is going to not just smell good, but also protect it from getting too dusty too quickly. I am so excited because I found the perfect solution for this disaster, and it is this. It's like a little jewelry tower. It's a gold color, which I really, really love. So I'm gonna put all of my necklaces, watches here, and then I have this little area for my hoop earrings, things like that. And then there's this area on the bottom, it's like a canvas material, and I'm gonna put my smaller earrings there. So this is such a great solution. I think it's gonna look so good against this dark green backdrop. I also did bring up this little cactus, porcelain cactus decoration. It was downstairs above the piano. I don't really need it down there. I do need it up here, however, to hold my additional rings. And then I was thinking of putting all of the little backings of the earrings in here, so that way it doesn't get mixed up with all the smaller earrings that are on the bottom of this tower. I really do not want to do this right now, but I have to clean this fan. As I've been dusting the room, I just realized, like, oh my gosh, I really have not dusted in a long time. I'm gonna be putting on a new bedspread, and I want it to be fresh. I want everything to be as dust-free as possible so I can feel nice and refreshed. Shoot! When I am refreshing the mattress, I like to deodorize it with baking soda, and I let that sit for a little bit, and then I'll vacuum it up. However, I did do that just a few weeks ago, so I'm not going to do that today. But what I am going to do is vacuum the mattress, because I got some dust on it from when I did the ceiling fan, and I'm going to hit it with this. This is kind of like a room spray, but I like to use it on all of my bedding, mattresses, things like that. And it's got a lot of great essential oils in it, some water, really, really simple, and it just smells oh so good. It's lovely, it's just lovely. So here we are at the corner, and I like to do hospital corners. That's what my friend called it, or something like that. I'll pop the name of it up here. But essentially, it just kind of smooths it out and makes it a little bit neater. And it also prevents the sheet from moving around when you're sleeping. So just tuck it in. I have this area right here where I'm just gonna bring my hand over and tuck that in a little bit more. And then I just kind of fold it down and make like a straight line, and then tuck it underneath. And so now we have this beautiful, nice and neat corner. All right, y'all, moment of truth, the pièce de résistance. I have gotten my duvet cover off. I am going to put the new one on, and so far I really love the way the pillow shams look. Oh gosh, I think I flip it in, like, out. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can never figure this out. Oh, I hope it fits. It looks a little small. Okay. I love it. The texture's so nice. I had to squeeze it in here, I'm not gonna lie, so I have to measure this out because I don't know that this is exactly 12 by 20. So that's my only complaint about this. But other than that, it looks so nice. I'm so glad that I got it. This chair is pretty comfortable, but it is just really darkening the room, and I have something else that I want to put there instead. In place of this chair, I am going to bring in this stool, which I've had for a while, and I think it's just going to be a space saver, a better way to use this space, because like I said, we rarely do sit here and do anything.
So I am here in Target for, like, I don't know, the 8th time, and I have been looking and looking for a lamp or 2 lamps for our bedroom, because we don't have matching lamps, and I'm really hoping to find some good matching lamps. There is a 20% off decorative pillows and throws blankets and stuff like that sale here, and I'm so tempted to get more pillows because I love pillows so much. But alas, I need to avert my eyes. Let's go see about those lamps. Let me show you like which ones I was thinking about really. Okay, so these are the ones that I was thinking about. Again, these are the small kind. They are, oh, are they 15? Oh my gosh, I think they're $15, which is great because I thought they were gonna be 20. Not bad, still pretty expensive for lamps, but if you go on like Amazon, Lamps Plus, whatever, they're pretty expensive. So I don't know, I'm thinking about this. The thing about it is that it's black and it's pretty matte black, so I don't know what that's gonna look like next to our bed. I do like this cover. It's very like vintagey. I don't know, should I take these black ones and try it out?
I just got done rearranging our drawers a little bit. I decluttered a few items here and there, and I refolded all of our clothes so it's nice and neat. Now it's time for the finishing touches. I got some really cute little plants from Lowe's, which I'm excited about putting up, and then I got two things from the Target dollar spot. Don't judge me. They're really cute, and I'm gonna decorate them on our writing desk shelves. And then I got this beautiful gold framed picture from Kirkland's. It's going to go in this writing desk area where that other picture frame was. And then I got this nice round large gold wire basket for all of our blankets, and of course I got the lamps as well as 2 throw pillows. I decided to get these other pillows from Target. They're beautiful. They're gonna pick up on some of the colors that are in here on this chair that's near the window and the accent wall. So I think this is gonna look so much better. I'm excited. I'm gonna put everything together and show you what our complete bedroom reset and refresh looks like, and hopefully it'll be inspiring for you as you reset for the new season. This throw blanket for quite some time now, and I think it goes really nicely with all of the colors and things like that of the bed. So I'm gonna put it at the edge here. I'm gonna put it like folded into a right triangle. I think it's gonna look really nice that way. All right, now that everything is finally in its place, let me show you what our bedroom looks like now. I feel so refreshed and excited for spring. I am so glad that I decided to give this room a little facelift, a little mini makeover, because I feel like it's way more cohesive now, the way that I've laid everything out, the elements that I've brought into the space. It feels a lot more relaxing as well, and I truly feel reset and refreshed and ready for the springtime. If you have made it this far in the video, consider subscribing and also give it a like if you found it inspirational, helpful, and or entertaining. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! What do you think?
Pretty slick. We had lamps before.
Yeah, but they didn't match. What do you think about the room?
It's great. How are the kids doing? That's what we gotta be watching out for.
They're
I mean,
fine.
The lamps look like coffee filters turned upside down. I'm glad we have a bin for the blankets.
Yeah? Do you like it?
Yeah, they've been all over the place. Nobody's been keeping them in line. Are these real?
Yes, they're real plants, honey. They're real plants.
So who's gonna maintain this?
Me?
This is the chains that we're all now bondage.
It's supposed to symbolize our marriage because it's 3 links. Me, us, and God.
That's all I got. Thanks for doing that, but yeah, I need some dinner.